Hello, 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 another day, another vlog of property. I'm here at Pulong Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Ayan po, it is for sale by the owner. 626 square meter. Ayan po, going pa North Sagaray po yan, paanggat Bulacan. Yan, yung side sa kanan. Ayan po, ang frontage niya is 15.63 square meter with lot orientation of southeast. Kahilera lang po siya ng Darwin International School. 4 minutes away from Cityland, 10 minutes away from Camellia, Santa Maria, 28 minutes away from Walter Marts, 30 minutes away from Bayan ng Santa Maria, 43 minutes away from NLEX Bukawi Exit. Ayan po. Yan po yung property, vacant lot. Good for warehouse, land banking, commercial. Although ang classification niya sa tax deck is residential. Pero ang ganda po, ayan po, along Pulong Buhangin National Highway. Ano po yan na one ride bus going Manila Divisoria, one ride bus going LRT 5th Avenue, Monumento, one ride jeep going Santa Maria Bayan. Ayan po, what are you waiting for? Makipag-ugnayan po sa akin dahil yung nakadirect po ako sa isang nakadirect po dyan sa mismong seller. Ayan po, vacant lot. 626 square meter ang lot area with frontage of 15.63 square meter. Malapit po yan, a few step away from garden subdivision ng Pulong Buhangin. Marami pong subdivision dyan. Marami pong business establishment. Kahilera po niyan ang Darwin sa bandang kaliwa. Marami pong school, private school po dyan. Ayan po yung pinaka frontage ng property at mga katabing property. Ito po yung loob. Yan. Pasukin po natin yung loob. Papakita ko po yung loob po. May video po ako niyan. Ayan. Isusuot ko lang yung cellphone ko. Ayan po. Ayan, vacant lot na po. Ayan. Ano po hinihintay nyo? Makipag-ugnayan po sa akin. 626 square meter. Vacant lot along Pulong Buhangin National Road. Yes, show. 0933-813-7110. Vacant lot for sale. Vacant lot for sale. 626 square meter.